What's up, guys? Welcome back to WRX Chillin'. Today we're gonna be unboxing an AOS from IAG. I already took out all the hoses. I put them off to the side already. Got some additional ones right here. I think some goes to coolant, some like goes to like the turbo, and I don't know. I got to do some more research and get the instructions, but I'm still debating if I should go to a mechanic and get it done or if I should do it myself. So if you guys could comment down below and just let me know what do you guys think, you know. But first things first, we're gonna open it up, and we got some zip ties. I think we got the bracket to relocate it. We got some other screws and stuff. And then a goodie. I got this is an old one. This is the V2. So it's a little thick. It's a little thick, boy. But, close up. Yeah, I think the new one right now is the V3. I think it's like a little bit smaller, and I don't have no idea what's the difference, but, hey, I think this one should do its job, you know? But yeah, that's cool. So, pretty sick, man. I'm excited for this. I saw like a video or two on like let's get one more look on it. Damn, it's really cool. I really like it. Oh, I like a little stamp. That's really sick. All right. So I'll put that away. That's the AOS. All right, guys. Sorry, my GoPro died, so I had to switch the batteries. But yeah, so I still haven't, like, everything's still packaged. So this is all new to me. We got Fortune Auto Coilovers. Woo! Let's go. That's awesome. Look, it comes in a little baggie, and I think it comes with the tools to like lower it, to adjust the coilovers. Ooh, sticker. Gotta represent. Thank you, Fortune Auto. I appreciate the coilovers you guys sent. What's up? Another thank you. Thank you for choosing. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's super cool. Look, the certificate of assembly, because these are handmade straight here in the US. Serial number. Spring. I went with just the regular ones, the 8K, just default. So 8K in the front, 8K in the rear. That's cool. Built by Raymond. Thank you, Raymond. I appreciate you for making my coilover. Look, it even has the build date. We'll put them right there. Just a little cut. Damn. Look at that. Damn, that's a beauty. That's so awesome. I'm so happy. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh shit. Oh, see, they're loose, so I think I still have to like it's adjust the preload. So these are the fronts, because the camber plates, so we can do adjust camber, and then I think this is the dampening. Look at the front. Check this out, guys. Oh, oh my goodness. The Subi is gonna be handling real well now. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Alright, guys, so those are the coilovers. Look, you got the AOS. So we got two goodies in this video. We got the AOS and we got the coilovers. Yeah, this is gonna improve, you know, the lifespan of the Subi. You know, make sure no oil, the air and oil is being separated, you know, AOS. But yeah, we got the coilovers here. After we install it, we're gonna get an alignment. And yeah, comment down below if you guys have any advice that could help me out when installing coilovers or the AOS. I'm still debating about that, if I should go to a mechanic or if I should just do it myself. I saw the install video and I was like, ooh, I don't know. You guys saw me on the short throw shifter, so I was like, I don't know about this one. So we're debating on that, but we're gonna do the coilovers for sure. Hopefully by this week or next week we can get them installed, and then yeah, get that alignment as well, because I don't want to mess it up at, like, you know, the tires or anything with the suspension. But yeah, we still got more things to get, you know. I think my next thing that I really want to get, gonna save up for, is probably like the access port and like the intake. So maybe go like stage 1. Also too, if you guys comment down and let me know, do you think I should do a dyno tune with the stage 1, or if I should just like leave it with like off the shelf map?